Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the higher time frames on Zillaqa, ZIL. So, as always, our key level criteria, what we look for: swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So let's go ahead and jump right in. First off, we can see two key levels here. One here and one here. These are the swing highs of heavy bullish momentum. Now, on the lower time frame, on the weekly, we can fine tune these levels. But looking at this chart, these are two obvious swing highs that we can plot on the monthly. So what else can we find? Well, what do we see here? On the left here, we see a point where price got rejected and a reaction, but initially broke through. As price came back down, we've seen a reaction from the same key level. So let's go ahead and plot this on our chart. Now, looking at the rest of the chart, there isn't much we can really do with the data we have. So let's go ahead and drop to the weekly. Now, on the weekly time frame, what can we see? Well, we can see levels at the top here at our swing highs. So let's go ahead and plot a weekly zone. And as you can see, the weekly zone that price reacted to here, we see a long wick reacting to the same key level. Notice how the wick blows right past both of our monthly levels and hits at the top of our weekly key level here. So what else can we find? Well, right here we have a reaction, another reaction. So let's go ahead and plot this on our chart. Here we have a level where we see price get resisted from, resistance, broke through, came down, and held the level as support as shown by the long wick there. Broke through, came back, got rejected again, and rejected again. And if we see the most recently, we had a fake out where price blew up with a very long wick, but bullish momentum took over, sending price back down. So what else can we find? Let's look at the most recent price action. And we can see that we have two levels right here where let's plot in a weekly zone where price has tried to break through but got rejected. In another attempt, we see a reaction with long wicks to our key level, but price followed through with a bearish momentum candle, falling back down. So let's actually extend this level all the way across and see what else that we can find. So if we can see here, we actually had a bit of a reaction over here to the same key level. We've seen a reaction from price here, and we've seen a reaction from price here. So this key level has actually been resistance and support, making it very key. Now, looking at our chart, we have a lot more structure involved. Looking at it without any of our key levels, we have no idea where price may react if it continues to come further up, or not continues, but if it does come further up. But since we plotted our key levels, now we have areas where we can expect a reaction from price. So as price comes up, we can expect a reaction here, 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 and here. Multiple key levels where reaction can and may occur. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you got any value from this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.